Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, March 1. The Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, is reporting that the integrity of Jamaica's electoral system is intact. At a press conference on Monday, Director of Elections Orit Fisher explained why the final count overturned preliminary results for the St. Mary Southeastern constituency.
Someone who should have gotten 100 and odd was given the lower number, and the person who should have gotten the lower number got the 100 and odd. So it was a simple transposition error in that constituency on one of the boxes. And that accounted for the majority of the difference that was erased, as you have put it.
In the final count, the PNP's Dr. Winston Green got more votes than the JLP's Dr. Norman Dunn. Dr. Dunn has, however, requested a magisterial recount. The EOJ will now advise the Governor General that based on its count, the JLP captured 32 of the 63 seats in the lower house. And stay tuned to Jamaica Magazine for more details on the press conference hosted by electoral officials. The increase in the national minimum wage and the minimum wage for industrial security guards takes effect today. The national minimum wage will move from $5,600 per 40-hour work week to $6,200. For industrial security guards, their wages will move from $8,198 per 40-hour work week to $8,854. The firearm premium allowance for industrial security guards will also move to $44.30 per hour. And their dog handlers' premium allowance will move to $29.80 per hour, while the laundry allowance increases to $40.30. The insurance coverage for security guards killed or injured in the line of duty will move from $2 to $2.5 million. Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ continues to assist hundreds of small businesses and self-employed persons to fulfill their tax obligations by March 15. That's the deadline for persons to file their income tax returns for 2015 and their estimated returns for 2016. Persons participating in the TAJ's Special Taxpayer Assistance Program are reminded to take their business-related documents, including taxpayer registration numbers, bank statements, purchase invoices, expense receipts, sales records, and utility bills to verify their income and expenses. TAJ is also reminding persons to utilize their online platform, the Revenue Administration Information System, to conduct transactions. Visit jamaicatax.gov.jm for details. Chairman of the Students' Loan Bureau SLB, Anthony Luars, says there's been an increase in the amount of money collected for loan payments.
Our collections have increased from approximately $1 billion in 2011-2012 to $2.1 billion for 2015-2016, or close to or a little bit above 100%.
In the meantime, Mr. Luars says the Bureau is now able to lend money to over 90% of students who apply for loans. He adds that the decline in interest rates and rates being calculated on the reducing balance have increased the attractiveness of the SLB. Mr. Luars was speaking recently at a function where Heart Trust NTA contributed $100 million to the revolving loan fund to assist students pursuing tertiary education. And finally, local businesses are urged to register for the Tourism Linkages Hub's speed networking event by Friday, March 4. The event will be held at the Hilton Rose Hall and Spa in Montego Bay, St. James on Thursday, March 17. It provides an opportunity for local suppliers to have face-to-face discussions with tourism stakeholders. Registration forms are available at the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JMA. For more information, interested parties can call the JMA at 922-888-023 or the Tourism Linkages Hub at 920-4926-30. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.